Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Hidone Denture set. So it's a legit product or it's a scam, okay? So let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you I have already done 2 or 3 videos you can see over here, neslemy denture set, and you can also see Smile Sego denture set, and there is one more video that is mincetabin silicone denture set. Okay, so the basic thing I want to tell you, this is not a unique product, this is a drop shipping product, and there is no guarantee you will get exact product as they shown in the pictures, because this is a drop shipping product, and drop shipping product is always different when they deliver at your doorstep. Okay, so please don't try to purchase these kind of product, otherwise you are going to face lots of issues related to product quality, related to return and refund, because when you purchase there is no guarantee you will get your money back or not if you are not satisfying after buying the product. Okay, so please stay away, and if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so this is the information, hopefully this video will helpful. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and bye bye.